I can't tell if I have lipstick on my teeth. Where's my phone? I definitely did have lipstick on my teeth. Cute. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna need you guys to hype me up in the comments below about my hair because right now I'm honestly very insecure about it. I can't tell if it's like a, ooh, like your hair looks really cute and wavy, early 2000s kind of look, or if it's more of like, you kind of look like Larry from Lizzie McGuire with his greasy hair. Like, do we think Demi Moore or Larry? Let me know. But I am so excited because your girl snapped, and I haven't bought something from Louis Vuitton in so long. Like, the last time I bought something that was like current from Louis Vuitton, I'm pretty sure it was my Palm Springs mini bag. I tried to dabble in the Pichette Matisse thing back in the day, but that bag was just not for me at all. That was too classy, and you know your girl, not that classy. When I saw this bag, I basically fell in love. I knew in that very moment that that bag was made for me, and I will get into why after I show you guys the bag, because I know a lot of you guys just want to see the freaking bag, and you can already tell from the title below what this bag is. It is the Louis Vuitton Multi Pochette Accessoires. Did I say that right? Probably not. So how did I find this bag? I found it basically from a personal shopper. I found her through Instagram and she had a khaki strap one available, and I was just like, ooh. She provided obviously all of the details of it being authentic, the receipt, everything, and shipped it to me, and it finally got here even though it was supposed to be here Saturday. It got stuck in Memphis for a while, but anyway, here's the bag. We don't need that. Obviously, I do not want you guys to take this video as bragging. I just personally love watching these videos. They're my favorite videos to watch, and it's not every day your girl gets a new bag to show you guys that is actually relevant. Actually, I always cave into the hype, but whatever. If there's one thing that is my kryptonite, it is designer handbags, and we love that for me, right? I love them so much. So here is the receipt. It comes with a bunch of documents, a shipping label in case you're returning it, the actual receipt from the pre-launch, and thank you for shopping at us, blah, 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 blah. And the thing you guys actually care about is the Louis Vuitton box. That's it. It comes with a dust bag for each item I already put together, so we don't need to show you guys that. Here she is, you guys. This is the Louis Vuitton Multi Pochette Accessoires. Am I gonna say that like 1,000 times in this video? Probably. I obviously got the khaki strap, and this is available in the rose ballerine pink strap as well. Personally, I feel like I would normally go the pink route, but actually that's a lie. I'm not a pink person. I would probably go the blue route. That's like technically launching, I think, eventually, but the green one just spoke to me. And I actually wanted to buy originally the strap for my little vintage mini Speedy from the Giant Monogram collection in the khaki color there, but something always kept me from purchasing it. So it just wasn't meant to be, and thankfully it wasn't meant to be for a reason, because I got to put that money towards something new and that has multi-uses, which is this bag. So yes, this is, like I said, the Multi Pochette, and it's called the Multi Pochette because it's got two different pochettes, and it comes with a strap and a coin purse. And the coin purse is really cute because it's got regular monogram on one side and the mini monogram on the other. I really think the mini monogram is so cute. Ooh, literally so pretty. Now, I wasn't sure about this at first because I was like, is that too utilitarian vibe for me? And the beautiful thing about fashion is you can literally make anything your style. If you like something, freaking buy it. That's what I did. I find that Louis Vuitton is my most used bags most of the time. I mean, other than Chloe. You guys know Chloe really gets my juices flowing. I need to stop saying that. That's so graphic. I got the Palm Springs backpack when it first released 4 years ago, and that thing's been to hell and back with me. So I was kind of looking for the new thing that I could like beat to death, and that would be this bag. This bag is definitely, I feel like, something that I'll have in my collection for a while, because even if this strap goes out of style, these I feel like are a timeless classic. We have a smaller pochette in the front and a bigger pochette behind, and then it's also got this little strap that when you detach the crossbody strap, it's just like a little handbag, which I think is really useful for like nights out. If you're going to something fancy, because I feel like this makes it more casual, but this makes it more fancy. 2 weddings actually this weekend. And I bet this bag will be stepping out this weekend. I love the crossbody because now I can use that on my cute little speedy bag. And I can't wait for the leather to get a little bit more brown because I personally prefer it to look brown. I think it looks kind of like silly when it's so white. I love it. I love this bag. To be completely honest, it's a lot smaller than I expected. I feel like I expected it to be like another inch longer. It's still gonna fit everything. I don't carry a lot with me. Everything fit from one of my bags into the back one. So now I can just like put this little film canister. That's not gonna fit. Okay, that's gonna be bulky. We'll put my scrunchie in here. And this bag, I forgot to mention, retails, for the pre-launch, it retailed I think for $15.50. Now I think it's retailing for $16.40. They raised the prices, I guess, because they knew they could get away with it. Those little sneaky devils. I kind of went back and forth on which bag I wanted to get for a while from Louis Vuitton. For a while there, I was kind of inching towards the giant monogram bum bag in the green color, but as much as I love a quirky bag, like I love bags with just that are different looking, like they're quirky, you know, like me. Special. And that one had that like pizzazz, but for the price it just wasn't worth it because I'd be very limited with what colors I could wear with it. I'm really glad I didn't go that route because obviously I went a different green route, which is exciting. I also thought about getting the crossbody strap like I mentioned earlier, the bandolier strap and the giant monogram for this bag. Like I said, I can just take the strap from this bag and hook it on to this one. We'll see how that one looks. Yeah, I just felt like this bag had a lot of functions, and honestly the Pichette is just such an iconic bag. I went to a school in middle school where like bags were like the status quo. Like if you had a specific bag, you were cool, you know what I mean? Like if you had Louis Vuitton, you were so cool. A lot of people had the Pichettes, a lot of people had like this canvas bag. There was a lot of multicolor speedies in my middle school. Why was everyone so bougie in middle school? My parents would never. Little Sarah always dreamed of owning the Pichette, and so it's kind of exciting. A little bit later in life, but I'm here now and I just feel so excited. So yeah, that is all about my new bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, is probably just like one of the worst videos I've probably ever filmed, but that's what we love about me, I guess. If you guys like luxury items, be sure you stick around on my channel because I am posting quite possibly the most useful video yet on my channel, which is about how to buy luxury for less. And it's not just like go pre-love market. Like this is actual helpful. Like I discovered the biggest thing in the entire world that is a game changer when buying stuff online. I filmed it yesterday. Let me know what your thoughts are on the Multi Pochette. Do you think it's cute? I know a lot of people don't, but whatever. If you don't like it, let me know, and you're just boosting my engagement. So I love you guys, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye!